Nvidia is one of those technology companies which has always had a lot of hype around its name, and nothing shows this more clearly than the past 6 and year chart for the stock. On the past 6 months, we are seeing a rise of well over 100%, and the year to date we're seeing 236%. On the 5-year chart, we're looking at well over 600% gains, which all ask the question, is this sustainable for Nvidia, and is now a good time to buy this stock? Now, of course, I am not a financial advisor, but I'm going to be giving you my opinions in this video on this company. So let's start off by looking at where the stock is and why this might be. So Nvidia stock in recent weeks has been rising. You can see this on the past couple of months. We're barely seeing any red days at all, very insignificant ones when we do see them, and we're seeing this massive consistent growth. Now, why is this? A lot of this is due to the potential for a massive bull case with Nvidia, and this all reflects around AI and how that could impact their business. Now, of course, AI is one of those buzzwords at the minute. I'm not saying it doesn't have a use, and I think the technology is going to be revolutionary. But the question is this growth sustainable in the short term for these companies? Because whilst it is possible that AI could massively revolutionize Nvidia's business, is this going to affect the stock price in the next month, in the next 6 months, in the next 12 months? AI is something which, in my opinion, is going to be on a more large time frame. So the question is, does that mean that now is a good time to buy Nvidia, anticipating more gains for the potential rise based on AI and how that could impact Nvidia's business? In my opinion, the answer is no. At the very least, I'd be waiting a couple of days with Nvidia, as we are seeing that trend arguably start to change now. In recent weeks and months, we've seen a lot of difficulty breaking above the range of 270, and we're also now seeing difficulty above the range of 500. We're also seeing a bit of a slowdown in the trend with Nvidia after we saw that big gap up, and now the question is, are we going to see a bit of a decline? I think it's definitely possible when we look at Nvidia, comparing that to the S&P 500, which in the past 5 days is seeing a somewhat similar trend to Nvidia is on the 5-day chart. Whilst I think this is a good technology company and something which does have a lot of potential, you have to zoom out and look at the bigger picture. In my opinion, when we're looking at gains of well over 100% in the last 6 months, I'm not too sure if this is a very good stock buy at the moment. It's something that I'm going to keep my eyes on. I think as a long-term growth stock, it is a possible good buy at some points, but I think we have to look at the potential for future rises. And I think where we are at the moment, we're definitely on the high side of what we could be seeing for our short to mid-term returns on Nvidia. So something which I am going to keep on my radar, but I would personally not be looking to buy this stock right now, just because of the rises that we've already seen. So hopefully you enjoyed this short video. I hope you did. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.